Tinidor. Ang aming ulam. Nahiling ang hungit. Ano, kuya? So, TJ, you're red, TJ.
O, daw na yun na. Mailan yung sisan.
Iya ito.
Sa, how's your food?
Ang sira.
Sa,
Apa na
Ay,
rin na?
sa, ano, isog down na.
Oh, why you don't tell me? Oh, okay. Go sit
Nasa
down.
na sila nila na? Habang.
Ay, ito gusto lutang.
Ay, nito.
Ay na. Okay. You want? Get na. Okay.
This is warmer. More?
Ayaw niya.
I don't like
Niya ito.
Warm.
It'll be right.
Bakal na siyang chocolate pa.
Noodles, mate.
Do you like this?
Bigyan na lang.
Hindi ko iturog na ito. Ayun. Hindi ko.
Pikit-pikit na.
Nagtaka na ito?
Is that theirs, babe? That one?
Yeah.
Them two? What about that one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
What was that one for?
For the noodles. Sak, is it masarap?
Uy, ate!
Oy, that's enough na.
Upaon pa so ano?
Ate, that's enough.
Uy, so, day na!
Kuya, you got sunburn.
Marina! Oh, it's raining!
Noodle. Antok na to, antok na to. Asan yung water niyang baby ko? Asan yung water? Where's yung water? Nak, uminito mo kakambado mo na.
Do you drink?
So, inom mo dani ko. Papa is just having a shower. Do you still have ice daw, Cole? May ice daw. Holly! Here, Holly. Papa. Dali. Ready na ka mag-sleep? No, 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 no. Give this to me. Akin na. Akin na po. Akin na. No. Pagkaon ko. Okay.
Do you want a beer?
Ano naman takapo? Yeah.
Puta, ni sa sindang room 40.
Go.
May room sinda.
Binuksin na ni Jan.
Room 14 sinda.
Thanks, Wowo. Hindi nga. Ano, hindi kakawatan niya. Mansa na. Antas itatapo. Very good. Ikakagat lang ka. Hindi sayang mo ang milk mo. Three, ano pa, no? Yes? That's enough of lollies, please. That's enough. Where have you been, Belle? The what? Vision back. Lumen expression. Oh, yeah. Where did you go, babe? Tita, di ba we'll sing later, huh? We're waiting for you. 5 pesos? Ate! Ito mga alalay kaya. Sak! Parang kang Sak, may sunburn ang mo. Like it here? Why? Pardon me?
I can do that.
Yeah.
It's more fun.
There's more fun than more children here than we go back.
More fun and more kids in. Tama-tama, malipol-lipol.
May bukas pa ganun. May bukas pa.
I cannot taste them.
You don't know that song? What's your favorite song? What?
I love that
Bukas pa.
Can we change it?
Dito ko dyan.
Change it.
Napala na si Sandy, no? Ang nagkakalo ka.
Napakalakos ng pagkaon para sa mga baboy ng Manuko, Insta, Farm Supply.
After
Ilan
this,
sa mga produktong hinahanap mo para sa iyong
Kuya,
alagang baboy at
let me see your face, kuya.
palay at gulay na kalingan. Nandito sa One Stop Farm Supply.
I can't sing.
Can you see what's that, man?
Fell down that hole there.
What happened?
We're down that hole.
Where?
That didn't look.
It's alright.
No.
That'd be right.
Yeah,
Tomorrow, get in the water tomorrow and it'll be better.
Can
Gee, Carl, I can't see. Like any fish, go have a look back.
Where?
I go? Can I go?
No, you should be 33.
I can't.
What's the fish pa? Hain. May sira, kuya.
Yung bago.
Hain. Hain. Iyan. Dakul mambaga sarada yung. Kuya no. Kaarog lang kan kuya pag pag iba-iba man na sira. Diyaw lang anja. Sa ibabaw. Look what they get, Bebo. Pakita mo kuya.
Have a look, boy.
Yan no, that's the fish.
Oh, yeah.
See?
No lobster.
Did you have a look?
Okay, kuya, mahiling na siya, kuya.
Yeah, have a look. Go over there.
Go.
Jump out and forward. Hurry up.
Oh,
See?
Okay.
Okay na? Say thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you. Nanguhuli silang isda. Dito lang sa
I'll stand back.
malap. Okay, dito. Baka kayo ang
Dad, you know what?
Si Holly. Ay, hala. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Holly. Holly, good morning, Holly. Your bum Holly.
We're going to Rexana. Hi, guys. I just crossed out my bucket list. Hi, PJ. The black boy.
Sa dagat?
Ayun, nandun sa dagat.
Wala naman.
Pwede clip video. Pwede. Papadang-padang, papadang. Papadang-padang, dadadang. Hey. Papadang-padang ng bebe.
Muna ko, sa tupis muna, sobra.
Ito may una ko may pampash.
Peekaboo. Getting ready? Yes, get your shorts. You're swimming. Wow. Up.
Nice two-piece.
Ay, so ano mo sa Hawaiian, ano, stay.
Ito naman. Stay mo lang hindi.
Yan si Holly. Look, up, Holly, up.
Pak, ganun.
Up. Yeah.
Papadang-padang, papadang. Papadang-padang.
Oh, iba ready na si Holly.
Let's go, Holly.
Go na po.
Hello.
Blow it, blow. Mga spicy gayud ano ko?
Ang pig.
Very dry.
Sauce? Holly.
Kaya. Ay, ikaw ka na? Kutsara.
Hi, Holly. Good morning. Dala ni tita niya from Hawaii. Pasalubong niya sa kanya. Tita Melissa. Wala na. Wala na, Baba. Are you eating hot dog? Sarap.
I know.
You're not done, TJ.
Say. Say it.
Hey, man. Ano yung thing?
Is that white for Sandra?
No ka. Ano yung kumain ng hotel?
Finish your food. You're not gonna go swimming, okay?
TJ.
It's 7:30 in the morning. Yung mga bata naliligo, tsaka yun si Chan. And Holly, nandun lang siya na nanonood. Is it cold? Cold?
Daddy, why is my back on? I can still touch the ground.
6 in the morning. Malamig pa yung tubig. Where's Holly? Hi! Baby, it's only 7:30. There's no sun yet. Holly! Is it cold? Love!
Hey, Dad. I do, Joey.
Pura kumakain gusto mo.
Pick that up.
Jack, ikaw naman, Dadja. Yung nga sabi niya. She loves to walk, honey. Oh. Wow. Your eyes.
I can't get over the rope. Jackie?
Jack! Ay, maligam-gam na pala. Swim!
Oh, hold on.
Hold on, Holly.
Swim! Wow. Wow.
Don't splash, kuya.
Wow.
Sabi niya, Jack.
Mas ka doon pa.
I love being
Wow.
Wow! Flying kiss kay mami?
Flying kiss, flying kiss.
Flying kiss? Kiss niya so ano. Gusto ba niya?
Hold, hold, hold.
Hold. Go swim.
Wow.
Nak, yung bra mo na. Yung two-piece mo na. Ayusin mo yung two-piece mo na. Nasa ano na.
Go. Holly.
Bye, Holly. Let's go, Holly. Come on. Holly. Bye. No? Don't. Oops. Wow.
Boy! Pedro!
Play, play.
Asan na
Dito,
si
dito,
ate?
para-
Lagyan mo na!
Wow. Nasa ubas. Nak, nasaan ka, Nak? Sabi niya, wala naman. Holly, bye-bye. Holly. Bye, Holly.
Let's go. Holly.
Sabi niya, paano? Paano? It's raining and we are going home. Saki, are you ready? I don't have shoes.
My children.
You haven't put clothes on it.
Cool.
My children. My
I will have to.
Where my children?
I don't know. I don't have shoes. We're back.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat them all.
Yeah, Daddy needs to eat.
I haven't eaten 2 days. Ragnar, ako.
Mom, but I'm hungry.
Yeah, you will eat.
Oh,
Maulan. Tapos na yung excursion namin.
What is that, Brad?
yummy.
Is it yummy na?
I want one. Sandra.
Mama, wala ma. Hindi ka ba?
Dita ba? How about me?
Papa! I love you.
Ang aming ulam is ginisang sardines with daing. Oy, boys! That's it.
Peace.
Sarap. Come on.
Peace.
Doon ka, Zachary and TJ.
Is the power gonna come
And this is
on?
for Holly.
Mom, is the power?
There, to you. Kuya.
Kuha ka ini kayo ng spoon.
Spoon.
Oo.
Sit down, please. Zachary, go.
Oh,
Sit with Be quiet and eat.
Ay, ito yung gusto ko. Gusto kita. Hindi sa native. Makakuha ko.
Zach, do the prayer, please. The Son, Holy, Zach, a Spirit, Holy, again, in Father, the Son, the Father. No, again, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Father, the Son, Holy,
There, baby. Go, Zachary.
Spirit, Spirit,
There, yes, there.
Amen.
Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you, Papa.
You can say as well. Thank you, Papa Jesus.
Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you, Papa. I'm touching the den.
Gusto niya kasi siya.
Thank you, Papa Jesus. Thank you, Papa.
Well, next time you have
Thank
to
you,
talk
Papa Jesus, for my
faster.
food.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, next time, tomorrow, it's your turn, okay?
Ah, sige natin din, lapang.
Shoot na rin.
Ang lapang na ha.
Hindi, ano, walang pa na bahala ka mo dyan.
Basta,